Hello guys, in this video I'll show you a Kimi K2 slides feature, which is really insane feature for creating unlimited PowerPoint presentations directly from a single chat prompt. So I created this PowerPoint presentation. As you see that I simply written this prompt here, just make a PowerPoint presentation on New Zealand cricket team. And this AI Kimi K2, which is actually a Chinese based open source AI platform which can actually generate coding apps. It can even generate images, videos, and specifically it's called as Kimi Slides. If you see the menu section, Kimi Slides it is called, and it actually generated this nice little PowerPoint presentation in 2 minutes. And now you can actually play this PowerPoint presentation as well. If I want to play this, I simply click on any of this. You will see that I click on that. I can edit this and download this and export this to PPT file directly. And now as you can see, the PowerPoint presentation is playing. You can even play this. You can see it created 12 slides for us. So these are the 12 slides. As you can see, it created all these images, researched the internet, inserted all these images using the Nano Banana model, which is really popular model. You get all this free. You can see you can also have these buttons here. You can even make changes as well. So it's directly an editor. You can actually make changes, just change this text. As you can see, so it's really easy for you to actually change anything, change the background color, everything. You can even play the slide as well. So you can see that each slide will play right here. So it exactly tell you the exact information related to that topic in a matter of 2 minutes. It makes this fully fleshed 12 slides presentation. As you can see, the quality of the presentation looks tremendous. It can actually replace PowerPoint for you, because if you don't have any experience, you come to the AI platform, simply write the topic and it will generate these 12 slides. Exactly. And now you also get the export button as well. So you click the export button. Either you can download this as a PPT image and slide transition. You can enable this. You can even Google Slides. You can even click that as well. So you can download this as a PPT file as well. And everything, as you can see, it's successfully exported to a PPT file and save it inside your local machine. So I think it's a free platform. It doesn't charge you anything. It's completely 100% open source. As you see that everything has been exported to a PPT file here. And this is my number one AI platform for making PowerPoint presentations, as you can see. And now let me show you actual. If you go to Google, how to get started. It's called as Kimi K2. It's actually a Chinese based platform. It's called as Kimi Slides specifically for making PowerPoint presentations. If you search on Google, the very first link which appears, this is actually the website. First of all, it's completely free, and you can simply get started by logging in with your Google account. And it's actually a Chinese based platform. So it's actually describes all these paid subscriptions such as Claude, Open Chat GPT, which actually charges users. But this is actually a complete free platform. And once you log in, it actually also shows you different templates, different everything is that. You go to the slides feature right here and simply enable that and simply say, build me a short little PPT presentation on. You can simply write any topic. Let's suppose I say build me a short little PPT presentation on Donald Trump. So what it will do, it will research the internet, it will fetch the actual content, images, everything, and present that information in a nice little manner and create a PowerPoint presentation. So as you see, it is actually searching the internet in the background here. It is extracting the useful information, creating the useful slides, and once it completes, you will get a notification that your PPT is ready. and you can create unlimited PowerPoint presentations. There is no limit to it. I am using this platform for almost 2 years, and I can safely tell you that this is the number one free platform for creating PPT presentations. And this is tremendous. This is so powerful platform. And if you just want a quick little PPT, then this AI platform is the number one platform. You don't need to do anything. You simply write the topic, and the rest of the thing will the AI will do for you. And the thing is that the quality of the presentation is tremendous. It's high quality. It's not, you can't say that it is created by AI. It's actually, it's the quality looks that it is crafted by inside a professional looking software like PowerPoint. It's created by a user. So first of all, it lists out all the slides that it will create it, and then you need to grant the permission. Click on this button, create, generate slides, and now for each topic after you generated this, you click that, and now it will actually create those slides for you one by one. It will actually fetch all the images using Nano Banana model, which is a really high performance model. So in the background, it's using Nano Banana for fetching those images. So it's having that partnership. So now it is see, it is generating those slides. So it has its own AI editor. So one by one, you will see the slides will get created. It will actually, you can see that how beautifully the thing is that it is creating those slides for you. You can see that. So this is the first, second, third. So once it completes, you will get a notification that now you can export, edit the PowerPoint presentation. So it has all the features. So I really like this platform. That's why I wanted to make this video so that you people can also use this platform. So don't waste any time. At the time of recording this video, it's completely free platform to use, create PowerPoint presentations. You can see that. So each, you can see that it's creating those slides, each slide. It has various templates as well. So at the time of just writing the prompt, you can select any kind of template. It has its own editor as well. You can change the color combination, text, everything you can change. So definitely check out this platform, guys, Kimi Slides platform, and create your PowerPoint presentations.